earlier. I visited here first time and this is the beautiful natural place. And I met here many different peoples. They are different from different countries and different cities, different states also. I say come here and visit here. This is very natural place.